All right, family, welcome back. Um, another disappointing loss. Um, another tough game. We came out on the losing end. Final score two goes to United States, nil to Jamaica. It's not going to be a long one. I'm just going to get to the point. So we're going to start with the ratings. The team rating for the United States is a 7.23. Jamaica's team rating is a 6.48. Um, let's start with the United States players. Goalkeeper Matt Turner gets a 7.1. Sergi Dest gets a 7.9. Walker Zimmerman a 7.5. Miles Robinson a 7.1. Anthony Robinson a 7.9. All right. Both wing backs getting good ratings for the United States. In the midfield, Weston McKennie on his return gets a 7.4. Tyler Adams, the captain, a 7.7. Yunus Musa gets the lowest rating on the United States with a 6.9. Um, Paul Ariola, 7.6. Real hard-working performance. Ricardo Pepe, the scorer of the two goals, gets a 8.4 and walks away with the man of the match. In my opinion, Brendan Aronson gets a 7.6. All right. Now for Jamaica, it starts with the goalkeeper Andre Blake, a 6.9, followed by Damian Lowe with another 6.9. He also picked up a yellow card, sees him out of the next game. Mariapo, 6.3. Kemara Lawrence, 6.3. Alvos Powell, 6.6. Speedy Williams at 6.4. Javon Watson at 6.5. Jamal Lowe gets a 6.5. Tyreek McGee, 6.3. Bobby Reed, 6.2. Hardly saw him again. Shamar Nicholson, 6.4. All right, so those are the player ratings. Do I agree with all of them? No. I think Alva should have gotten a lower rating. Javon Watson, probably a 6.8. Still not pleased that he's like the only option that we have. We should have more options than that. So we are firmly at the bottom of the table in eighth. After 4 games, we have 1 point. All right. All right. Let's go to some of the possession stats and so forth. Right. Statistics. Um, Overall, 62% possession for the United States to 38 for Jamaica. They had 17 shots. We had 5 total. Shots on target, they had 7, we had 1. Shots off target, they had 7, we had 4. Block shots, they had 3, we had 0. Corner kicks, they had 7, we had 2. Offsides, once for the United States, we were never offsides. They had 12 fouls, we had 8. They had no cards, we had 2 yellow cards. That arguably, especially one, could have been red. I think we got away with that because it was very early in the game. Very, very early. All right, they had 5 big chances. We had 0. They had 3 big chances missed. We had 0. They had 10 shots inside the box. We had 3. 7 shots outside the box. 2 goalkeeper saves. 5 for us. They had 1. Um, United States had 1. Our goalkeeper was a lot busier. All right. Passes. United States had 510 passes. We had 320. They had an 86% accuracy with 440 passes, and we had a 242 passes that were accurate from the 320 at 76%. Long balls, they are 63%. We are at 41. They are 30 of 48. We are 24 of 58. We need to play less long balls. It's not working. Stats show us that. Crosses, 6 of 25 for the United States at 24%. We are 2 of 11 of 18%. We need to work on that badly. All right, dribbling. They are 71% successful at dribbling. 12 of 17. We had 4 of 12 at 33% successful dribbles. Possession loss for Jamaica 128 times, for the United States 125. Their passing was sloppy at times, especially in the first half. It was 163 to Jamaica's 29. So the United States definitely fought harder and wanted it more. Definitely, you can see from the defensive work. Aerial duels won 24 to 4. Jamaica is not a short team. You know what I mean? Um, and they only won 4 of the 28 aerial duels. All right. Tackles 19 for the United States. We had 9. More than so they double us on tackles. Interceptions they had 9. We had 5. Clearances we had 20. They had 6. So on paper, not the best reading. The United States deserving of their victory, um, showing that they're not a one-dimensional team. That's probably our biggest weakness. But we move on. We play Canada next. There's nothing that we can really say. You know what I mean? These is the same old problems, same old issues that the team has or is having. Um, but we move on. The World Cup campaign continues. I think we will definitely know where we stand when this international break ends. So don't get too despondent yet. We're definitely up against it. But like I said, we move on. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section, guys. Remember, like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Peace.